Hey, how's it going? Brad Smith here. Today I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video to your blog area on the website. And this is really important for Google purposes so you get better rankings on Google. So I put a checklist together for you to just follow if you'd like to just start doing this on your own. It'll definitely help you be consistent and add these videos to the blog for Google every single week. We recommend doing it about once a week. So the first step is obviously to upload your YouTube video to YouTube. We have an example here of uploading it to YouTube. We want to make sure we add the right title. We want to make sure we add a good description about what the video is about. And then we want to add some call to actions, like go to our website if you'd like more information about this. So once that's all done, then we're going to want to add a thumbnail. So usually what I recommend is choosing a thumbnail from your video so it looks personal, or using a website like Canva or some sort of software to create a thumbnail. Go ahead and upload that thumbnail because that's actually what's going to show in the blog area on your website. Once you're done with that, go ahead and save this as public. So once it's saved as public, then it'll actually show up on your site when you transfer it over. Next thing I want you to do is navigate and log into your website, and you're going to go to the blog area. So in your website, you're going to see the blog widget on the left. Go ahead and go there, and we can either update or add a new blog here. So this is a brand new video, so we're going to go ahead and copy the title, go to the blog area, and add a new post. Now the new post is going to be the title of your YouTube video. Choose your author, and then what you want to do is upload the thumbnail here. So I don't have a thumbnail made yet, but what we can do is go ahead and take a snapshot here, and we can add it, and we can always go edit this back. So we're going to choose the image, and we're going to upload from the computer, and you'll see that this image is right here. That's your thumbnail, and we'll want to save it into your image gallery, and then you're going to hit next. So now you've got your title, your author, and your thumbnail for your blog, and this is how we're going to add the YouTube video to your blog. Hit start, and that will bring up the blog editor. So from here, what you're going to see is you're going to have a subtitle, an image, and text. So what we want to do is first switch out the subtitle for this first section you added for your video. I like to tell people what the blog and video is about. So go ahead and copy that first section, and you can say this video is about, so that way the person knows what they're going to learn in the video. Hit the check mark, and we are good. Next, we want to add the video widget. So you're going to click on widgets, and we're going to type in video here, and you'll see the video widget. Go ahead and grab this, copy it, and hold it down, and find right above the image you can drop that video. So now we've got your YouTube video. Go ahead and go back to YouTube, copy your link, and that's what you're going to paste in this right here. So as you can see, I just pasted the YouTube link, and now we've got the YouTube video here. We can go ahead and delete this image unless you want to add images later on as examples. If you do delete this and you want to add an image again, just click on widgets and drag and drop that image gallery there. From there, we can update the text. So this text is usually what I put in the YouTube. You can make it longer. I recommend if you're doing a blog post to make it at least 500 words, but at least grab what you've got here as your description in your YouTube video and go ahead and add it so you have something here at least to start. Paste it in there, and you are good to go. Hit the check mark. So from here, you've got the title. You tell them what the video is going to teach them or be about. You have your YouTube video, and then you've got your description. Now this should be at least 500 words. If not, it's still okay. You've got your YouTube video, so Google will recognize that. You'll see in the checklist, the next step is to click the gear icon. The gear icon is going to be right here, and that's where we're going to tell Google what this video and blog is all about. So we have your URL that's saved here. Then we have your title, and what I like to do is copy this title, and we want to tell Google that that's what this image is about also. So that tells Google this image is about how to make your own vanilla extract. And then what we want to do is take that description. So we can go ahead and we definitely want this description at the beginning. We want to tell someone what the video is going to be about, but we really need about 160 characters, 2 lines here. So what I like to do is grab the second description and go ahead and paste it in. And so now we're right at 3 lines, so if we can get rid of it, we want to end up about right there. Just telling Google and your visitors what the blog is going to be about or what the video is about. Next, you can add a tag. So if you want to start tagging now, it's good especially for future. As you start tagging, you can actually categorize. So always tag. So this one I would consider a recipe, since they're giving you a recipe in this blog, in this video. So just you can start making tags, and that's going to help you keep categories organized as you build your business. Last but not least, you want to make sure your URL looks correct. You don't want any funny symbols in there like a dash and an S and a Z and a 1. Right? We want to keep this super clean. We want the URL to be exactly how your title is. And if you need to reorganize it, you can. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and hit publish, and that will automatically go out and it'll be updated in the blog area on your site. So let me know if you have any questions about this. Hopefully it helped, and start making YouTube videos and blog posts right away. Thanks again for watching.